Okay, well, this is the cartoon that I just, uh, draw. It's very simple, by the way. Okay, you can take all the part out of this. Okay, just like that. I just draw them together. So let me put all the piece together. Okay, just like that. Now, I want to do some painting there. Okay, but before I do that, let me put simply, okay, something like that. Okay, just like that. You can see I need to paint a road or a way, you know. Okay, let's just start it. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna create a blank layer, right? I will click this plus sign down here. Okay, this is the blank layer. So what I'm gonna do on this, okay, I will press uh, let me first select the layer. I will press B. Okay, this is B. We have this painting tools. When you press B on the keyboard, this thing will come. So what we're gonna do next is simply to find the right tools to uh, to draw something or to paint something like this. So this is one way. So just watch, okay? I will go direct into these tools right here. Okay, can have that. All right, I need to put grass or something that look like a soil. Let me okay, a little bit darker there. Okay, let's try to do that. Okay, so we're gonna have this in this place right here. Not yet. A little bit darker, or put something like yellow stuff. Okay, there. Let have that. Let me put too much on that. Okay. All right. I believe you are seeing that. Not yet. Uh, let me take a look at that. You can see. Okay. Fit on the screen. Not yet. Okay. So let me go direct into brush tools. Okay. This is like a road or something. Okay. Okay. Next things, I'm going to change color into just a little bit darker. All right. We need to put things like that. Okay. All right. Okay, just imagine that is the road. Okay, we are gonna put something like grass somewhere here. uh, I can also create another new layer, to paint the grass on that. Okay, but I don't want to. I will do all of this here in this place. Okay, that thing, look, this green. All right, let it start right here. So here we're gonna put some things here. Do not worry, we okay, control Z. I will do it again. Okay, all right. We are doing it now. Okay, like I'm gonna also do something here, like this. Okay, we need to draw something just like that. Okay, just a little bit there. Okay, 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 there. We have that. I want to put something that look like a sky within the same layer. Okay, something like this. Okay, I will make sure that I paint it somewhere there. Let me just simply paint anywhere. Okay, on that. Okay, I think it looks somehow nice. Okay, so let not worry about that. Okay, so let me add something also. Okay, there. All right. Okay. Okay. All right, it look a bit fine. Okay. Okay. All right, something like that. We can also do that. Yep, a little bit. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, wait. Okay. There. Okay. Yeah. I think we can simply zoom in and see what we just made. Okay. So this is what we have for now. So just you only have to paint something. Okay, let me put a new layer right there. This new layer I will take it up there. All right, above all this. Okay, then I can simply paint somewhere. Let's say it, I can paint here. All right, there, if I want to. So okay, okay, bit darker. I believe you know what that is. Water, something like look like water. Okay, yeah, there we have. You can even erase some of these if you don't want, like pressing E, and then you can do that if you want to, just like that. So clearing things out, just like that. Anyway, for now that's what we have. This is how you can paint, just simple normal painting. So not that hard. Okay, so that we have. Thank you for watching. Bye.